Hello, welcome to this lecture video. So I'm teacher Melai and let's talk about more about connectives. So we are going to discuss the following: exclusive or, implication, biconditional or double implication. So if you still remember in our previous video, we also talked about negation, conjunction, and disjunction. So just to have a brief review of the connectives in our previous discussion, the rule is that for negation, if the proposition is true, so the negation is false. And if the proposition is false, the negation of false is of course true. Well, for conjunction, the rule that we need to remember is that if both propositions are true, that's the time that P and Q, or P and Q, will be equal to true also. While if our two statements or two propositions are both false for this junction, so that's the time that P or Q is also false. Okay, now let's consider the exclusive or. So what is the symbol for exclusive or? So for the exclusive or, the symbol is a circle with a sliced. So we have here a cross inside. So it's divided into four equal parts. So that's the symbol for exclusive or. And we read this as either P or Q, but not both. So let's edit this part. This is or. Again, it's either P or Q, but not both. So our rule here is that if we're going to look at the values, if we have the same propositions, like if it's both true, then that's the time that it is false. So we have if it's both true or if it's both false, then the answer is false. So that's what we have to remember in the exclusive or. If both true and both false, the answer is false. Okay, next. This is our implication. So this is if P, then Q. So what is our rule for true or false here? So it is only false. So we will just remember this. It is only false if P is true and Q is false, or the first statement or proposition is true and the second proposition is false. That's the time that it will become false. Okay, so let's go back. For exclusive or, what we need to remember is that if both are true or both are false, the answer for exclusive or is false. Now, for if P then Q, or this is the arrow implication sign, it is only false if it is TF. TF false. So that's what we need to remember here. Next. So let's have the biconditional or double implication. So this is a double-headed arrow. So it is read as P if and only if Q. So what is the rule here? So if both are true, it is true. Or if it's both are false, it is true. So it's actually the opposite of our exclusive or, because in exclusive or, if both are true and both are false, the answer is false. And then for implication, it is only false if the first proposition is true and the second proposition is false. So T implies the F is, or if P, then Q is false. And then for the last one, if it's a biconditional or double implication, so if it's both true and both false, then that's the time that it is true. Okay, so these are my references, and thank you for watching. So we're going to have some examples and a separate video. So again, thank you for watching.